Hey there, we just did a video on sound in your camera. If you're curious how we lit that, I'm going to tell you right now. So behind me, I've got two LED lights. All the rest of these are just taking up space. The only two actually doing anything are these LEDs here. They're at roughly 80% power, and all they're doing is lighting that wall behind me to get the nice white look that you have. The wall itself is actually normally an off-white. Back there is a large floodlight. That's a 500-watt floodlight, and it's sitting a bit lower right now than it was during that video so that you can actually pick it up on this camera. You want it to be a bit above the person's head in order to think of it like the sun. You want the sun coming in on the person, and that's it. That's your main light. That's going to be your brightest light, the focus on the person. You can do lighting all kinds of different ways. This is just a real simple 3 lighting setup versus 4, 5, 1, whatever you want to do in order to light your scene. You can do this reasonably inexpensive. I bought 2 of those floodlights for about $100, and these LEDs back behind me are reasonably inexpensive as well. I honestly don't remember what I paid for them, but it wasn't a lot. There you go, quick little lighting tip.